Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue practicing subtraction. It's Mrs. Gehman, and we are going to be working on modeling taking apart. Now, modeling is just a fancy word for saying, how do you show it? So we're going to show some subtraction. So if we take a look at our top one up here, subtract is to find how many small cups there are. So she has 6 cups. Maria has 6 cups. 2 cups are big, the rest are small. How many cups are small? So we have to go back to our problems. She has 6 cups all together. That's why we have 6 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 cups are big. So what we did here is we're showing the big cups, we've made them red. The rest are small. Let's go ahead and make those blue ones. We're just filling in the rest and to see how many are left over. So we can go here down to our subtraction sentence. 6 cups all together, so we start with the number 6. We put a minus here to show subtraction, and we're going to take away these 2 red ones to see what's left over. So we can see how many cups are small. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write the number 4 right here to show we have 4 left over. So we can come on over here and put that number 4 here for our answer. There's 4 small cups. We started with 6. We did a takeaway. The 2 big ones equals 4 small cups left over. Okay, let's get down and do another one. We have the next problem. There are 7 folders. 6 folders are red. The rest are yellow. How many folders are yellow? So what we want to find out is what would be left over. What would be the yellow folders? Let's go back to our problem. There are 7 folders altogether. So what we need to do is draw 7 folders. I'm just going to draw squares to show those folders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have our 7 folders here. 6 folders are red. Let's make them red. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 folders are red. The rest are yellow. Well, how many do we have left over here? We've got 1 left, so let's make it yellow. Okay, now we've got to go down and write our subtraction sentence, right? So we have, remember, we started with 7 folders, so that's what we have to start with. Remember, when you start a subtraction problem, you start with how many it is all together first. So we're going to start with that number 7. And I want to know what's left over here. So I've got to take these guys away. The red ones have to go away. So we put a minus sign to show subtraction. And remember, we made 6 of them red. So I'm going to take 6 folders away, put the equal sign in my last circle. And how many are left over, of course? Well, we only have 1 yellow one. So we come on over here and we've got 1 yellow folder. We can read the subtraction sentence like this. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Sometimes I like to say take away here because that makes my brain know what I'm doing. 7 take away 6 equals 1. Okay, let's go down to our last problem here. There are 8 pencils. 3 pencils are short. The rest are long. How many pencils are long? Okay, so what we've got to do is we've got to draw our pencils. Remember, we're going to go back over here. There are 8 of them, 8 pencils all together. I'm going to make 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got my 8 pencils here. Now let's go back over and remember what our problem is. 3 pencils are short. Let's do this. I'm going to get my eraser here, and I'm going to make 3 of them short ones. So I can go erase this one a little bit. 1, 2. I got 2 of them all together there. And then 1 more. So here's my 3 short pencils. Get my pencil back again. The rest are long. So what we want to know is, well, what do we got here? How many long ones? let's make our subtraction sentence. So we've got 8 pencils. Remember, subtraction, you have to start with how many it is all together. So I start with the number 8. I'm going to take away the short ones. So I'm going to take these away. And remember, I made 3 of them short. Take away those 3. Okay, and what I can kind of do here too, let's make it a different color. I can put an X through these guys because these are the ones I'm going to take away. I want to get rid of those, okay? And then we put the equal sign in our last circle. And if I took those 3 short ones away, let's count and see what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put the number 5 in our answer spot. And then I can go over here again and put that number 5 to show how many long pencils I had left over. Okay, so I'm going to be including in our lesson today some extra practice pages. Good luck. Bye-bye.